यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Hi, today I am with you with a set of facilitators, that is certain idioms which are commonly in vogue and which are essential part of students' curriculum. We normally, knowingly or unknowingly, use certain idioms which are our facilitators. We don't know their origin, but we keep on using those because somebody has used it before, so we use that. The first is babe in the woods. Babe, B-A-B-E. Normally, it's a different form of slang. Babe. Babe in the woods. An innocent, naive person. Now, you are in a meeting having lots of discussion and somebody is expected something high of him. But he performs contrary. Uska ulta. Well, come on, forgive him. He is a babe in the woods. He is a very innocent man, naive man. N-A-I-V, naive man. सीधा साधा आदमी, माफ करो यार उसको. So, babe in the woods. Babe's magnet, a man to whom women are attracted. I'll give you one of the very famous example of our great evergreen heroes of stir years. हमारे पुराने 60s, 50s, 60s, 70s के heart throb. He was none other than Devanand. He was considered to be babe magnet. उनके बारे में बोला जाता है कि जब वो काला वस्त्र पहन के निकलते थे तो स्त्रियां उनके ऊपर कूदती थी, लड़कियां उनके ऊपर कूदती थी. He looked so fabulous. ऐसे सिनेरियो को क्या बोलोगे? That was possibly for few years when the stardom of Rajesh Khanna was there. He also enjoyed the same kind of reputation. He was truly a hero, and he was called as babe magnet. What kind of magnetic personality, what kind of magnetic persona he has. Babe magnet. So Devanand was truly a babe magnet. B-A-B-M-A-G-N-E-T, babe magnet. Baby blues. What does baby blues mean? Blue eyes. You must have seen some of the heroes or maybe the female actresses. They are having blue eyes. But most of the Americans or the Europeans, they have blue eyes. So they are called baby blues. Now, normally it's used in a slang form. Who were they? No, they are not Indians. They are baby blues in the airport. I was coming across on the terminal, I met some of the baby blues. Normally it is used in that sense. आप किसी फिरंगी को नहीं बोलना चाह रहे. You don't want to say they were foreigners, so you can simply pass it on and say they were the baby blues. Man with the blue eyes. Baby boomer. B-A-B-Y, boomer. Boom मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा. In excess. What is that? A person born in the years following World War II, when there was a temporary marked increase in the birth rate. Baby boomer. Normally it was the period after World War. Many people were, they had lost their limbs. Some of them had died. And that was a period of highest growth rate. Because population increment was also part of the responsibility of the human being. After all, we have to carry on. Our siblings will carry on. The posterity is further down the line. So those who are born after Second World War, they are called baby boomer. So when you are born after those who are born, they can say, okay, you are baby boomer. If you are born post 1945, that is post Second World War, they are also called baby boomer. Just listen and look at me. These are the words which really makes speaking very fascinating. One way that he was born after Second World War, you can simply replace those things saying, oh, you're a baby boomer. So that gives a different flavor. Suddenly somebody opinion changes about you. This man knows a lot. So these facilitators really facilitate your perceptional abilities in eyes of others. So you must remember these facilitators, idioms. Back and forth, BFCK, back and forth, FORTH. Back and forth, dialogue, negotiation. Now these days, in the era of, when India is purchasing a lot of arms and ammunition from different countries, so negotiations are in back and forth. चल रहा है, कभी तेज, कभी धीमा, negotiating the price, the process of delivery, technology transfer, So that kind of scenario, it is called back and forth. Back at you, PSCK, back at you. Same to you. You say you are a bloody hell. He said that. He said back at you. Aapko bhi. Same to you. He doesn't want to say bloody hell to you. He said back at you. आपने जो बोला वापस कर दिया मैंने. इसको कैसे बोलोगे idioms में? Back at you. Somebody say you are nonsense. Back at you. Same to you. You are nonsense too. Back burner. Not urgent now. बोलता है यार what happened? My dear children, the question of Ram Janmabhoomi was at back burner for so many years. इसको urgency नहीं दिखाई गई. It was just left somewhere in the files one day. What happened to that case? That case is no longer in discussion. That is on a back burner. पीछे कर दिया गया. So back burner is very important. It is used more frequently than not. Back 40, BSCK back 40, FORTY, back 40, remote, inaccessible land. In some of the areas like Mansarovar, when we have to access Mansarovar, some of the areas are back 40, very difficult, very remote. But even Government of India has made some of the areas which were back 40 till now is made accessible. You can use in that sense. The Government of India has made those parts which was back 40 to be accessible. The area Hemkund Sahib and beyond, which is heading towards our Badrinath and Kedarnath. Those hilly areas, what were they? It was back 40, very remote, inaccessible land. But it has been made motorable and walkable for the commuters. Back in the day, formerly when I was younger, in earlier times, back in the day when I was, you must have seen some of the IAS officers, the government officers, back in the day when I was commissioner of that division, they always try to brag and boast what they were. I don't know what kind of sadistic pleasure they derive, but they always eulogize their period when they were posting. Some of the people in some of the stories were there. Back in the days when I was, governor of the state, I used to go for a shikar, hunting. Though it's now banned, but people used to take a lot of pride. A kind of braggadocio, डिंग हाँकने वाली ये बात होती है कभी कभी, लंबी लंबी फेंकना. Back of beyond, a remote location. Normally it is used, I have seen that when Indian cinemas, they started shooting in India, it became very difficult to control the masses. So they decided to go abroad, outside, outstation location. That is also quite back of beyond, very remote area. Because people outside, they hardly care who are you. You keep on crying, keep on screaming on the streets, keep on shooting, nobody bothers. They give a damn care to you. So back of beyond, a remote location, nobody knows. But maybe the scenic beauty is good, so people feel the camera location would be very nice. But that's a remote location, not in the reach of many people. Back office, support service for a business. Support service for a business. अब जैसे बोलता है ना, this is my office, there is a back office also. But some support staff are there also to back me up, to carry on my business. This is my headquarter, but there is a back office also, from where I get certain kind of help, incremental help. Back on one's feet, physically healthy again. Somebody made an accident, very severe accident, but now he has rejuvenated. Now he is fit and fine. What would you say about that kind of situation? Back on his own feet. Now Mr. X, who made an accident, now he is back on his feet. Means he is fairly healthy now. Back to a square one. Back to square one. You did so much, but your one mistake brought you to square one. फिर से वहीं पे पुनः मुस्को भवा, हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं पुनः मुस्को भवा. Back to square one. जहाँ से चले थे वहीं पहुँच गए. So my dear loving children, I gave you few hints in form of idioms, which I call it facilitator. I believe and sincerely hope these facilitator would encourage your process of amalgamation of, or the process of synthesizing more and more information in form of word power, and that makes your strength. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि